Looks like we got a flood, Abby. Uh-huh. You think you're at the beach? Old hemlock's right in the water here.
What?
Old hemlock.
Yeah.
She's right on shore. Just like the beach, we got waves. That action of the erosion, eh? Get out of my pocket. Get out of there. Hard enough to keep the camera steady without her digging in my pocket. Oh, it has been up here.
Yeah, that's what I said before.
It's gone down then, actually. Yeah, I can see where it's come through here last night, I guess, by the looks of this. Yeah. Back. Yeah. You wonder how long this can keep up before all the soil's gone. You know, if you look at this, it's just unbelievable. It looks like pure mud. And this is not high. It's just no swimming, Marilyn. Abby, get out of there. Come on. And the reporter at the moment just lost her microphone. Okay, we're ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yeah? All right.